Hello. Today we are going to demonstrate how you can start the group chat on Telegram. So first of all, you want to open up this menu, go for the new group feature. Well, select the users or the context that you would like to add to this group chat. Click on next, enter the group name. You can enter whatever, obviously. You can also choose the avatar picture for it. And here, once you are satisfied with the group name and with the group avatar, you can press on this very icon that will essentially create the group, as you can see. And from now on, you can start messaging, chatting, and what's not. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.